Hi guys, so today we're back for another video, and today we are going to be, this is going to be part 1, I'd assume, of my Piratix Crazy Jungle MEGA unboxing. Now, the plan for this originally was to, do it when it released in the UK, but then I found out, because Power Warriors has been delayed until January, so I've got nothing to do for 6 months, or so. About 6 months. But, so yeah, I thought, I'll buy Piratix Crazy Jungle. So, this is all of the Crazy Jungle main line, except for 2 items. So, that means, when I say main line, I mean, you're not going to see King Croc or the Gorilla Bros or anything just because they're playsets. And also, it appears my cat's come to join us, that's nice. Also, 2 items were out of stock on Amazon.es, I'll have to figure something out there. So, you will not be seeing Captain Kaizo's Captain Pack or the 4-pack of Bunga Bam in any of the videos. So, with that all said and out of the way, let's begin. What shall we start with? Shall we start with the classic 1-pack? I should have brought scissors. But I'll have to live. Can I bear claw my way through? Ooh, Peaches, for context that's the cat, is on the bed. Right, yes! Plastic has been unwrapped. Right. Interestingly, even though it is from Spain, they still list the UK first. Right then. Let's just begin. Who will be, once I've undone this tape? Sorry guys, I'm not very good at this entire unboxing thing. It always shocks me how, surprising. It always shocks me how small the Piratix boxes are. If you've ever seen the Super Zings Evolution vehicle box that I do actually have in this room, it is huge. Anyways, as I was saying, who will my first Piratix from the Crazy Jungle series be? How has this retaped itself? For goodness sake. Who will my first Piratix from the Crazy Jungle series be? Oh gosh. Right. Nice. Let's just go. Who is this going to be, do we think? Let's see. Ta-da! It is Arrow Teach. I'm pretty sure that's what his name is. Quite similar to one of those captains from Wild Kingdom. But yeah. Nice. Let's have a look at the checklist, shall we? So this is all new to me. Well, not new, because I've seen new videos and stuff. Piratix lucky, but yeah. What's on the back, I wonder? What are you doing? Got a map of Jungle Island, the treasures, Wild Mask, and the Tribal Crew. Because Wild Mask got Tribal Crew. Have a drink. Right, good. Next. Ta-da! Oh, Curly Styles. 2 green and yellow ones so far. Let's do a 4-pack, shall we? How do I open these again? Oh, how do I open these? Oh gosh, this is going to be a challenge. Do you do it at the bottom? I think you do, really. I'm really finding things out so far. Oh. What's going on? Right, we've got to see the surprises. Oh, I see. The surprise Piratix is Will Forrester. Nice. Right. How am I going to open the rest of this? Do I just, get out of here! First one, Vinny Terry, I believe his name is. Got some nice gold detailing there. Badaboom, member of the Tribal Crew, of course, Neon. The neon finish is not very noticeable, I'm going to be honest. And Richie Armour. 1-pack. What have we got? Oh, Roni Bamboo. Nice. Now, ideally, I think I've got, of course, Captain Kaizo would be ideal. Then also Ace Ball. No, what is Vinny Terrine the? No, that insect one, Herman Fist. So yeah, of course, Wild Mask will be ideal, but that's not going to happen realistically. And whoever else is in Captain Kaizo's captain pack. Oh, that's nice. Got Neon. This is either Biko or Boki. I'm not sure which because they're both very similar. Let's go for Captain Pack, shall we? Let me find that one that's decided to open itself in transit. Is this one? Yeah. That's right. Well, we might as well open it from the side as it's decided to do that already. Oh, so this is what the jungle cages are like. I see. Right, you have to build the cannons? I didn't know that. Right, let's get you chaps out. If you want to, that is. Please. Oh dear. Yeah, so much for saving the packaging. What on earth are you doing, Peaches? Charlie Rebel? Oh gosh, that was a noise. Otto Longneck. Captain Watchtower. The yellow sword specifically, nice. Oh gosh, it's not happy. It's really not happy. I'm Happy Barry. I think he's like pop-up pirate. Right, what is in here exactly? Oh right, so it's the projectiles and stuff, and then I'm assuming this is the legs for the jungle cannon. That is their name. For ages they were just called cannons, but no. A D but on a poster called them that. Do you have to put these in a specific way? Or can they just all go anywhere? I'm not sure. Okay, the shorter ones. Does that go here? Here? Yes! Right, so the shorter ones go at the back, evidently. So there, yeah. Yeah. Didn't think you'd have to build them. There we are. Nice. So then I think you stick that in there. Oh, I don't know if the tribal crew. Is that tribal crew's flag? I don't know. And then you take the treasure. And then you take the flag. Put someone on it. Let's go with Otto Longneck for now, even though you cannot see him. Bang. The camera did not like that. Nice. And then the jungle cage. How do these work? I think I've got a good idea. Oh, so you've got a hook on there. Interesting. I'm not really sure what that's for. So I think these function quite similarly to fortresses. Let's just shove Happy Barry in there. Bye. Hold on, now think about it. Don't I need a treasure for the jungle cage? Oh, hold on. It's the treasure. Oh, it's there. Who knew? How do I get it out? Okay. How do I get it out? Yeah, that doesn't want to come out. But I think essentially you put it in here, twist this, and then you can open that. I'll need to work on getting the treasure out though. Right then. I don't know how to make these videos, I don't know, because I've got a lot of stuff. Yeah, why not? One pack. Oh! What can I remember your name? I'm gonna say I cannot. It might come to me though. Nice, you've got Wild Mouse. Oh! No, Bobby Hatchet's from Series 1. Are you Bobby Hatchet? I thought he was like the fireman though. Wormy Digginston. Bye bye. Right, let's go with Captain Pharonix's Captain Pack. Oh my gosh, I nearly killed me. Well, Captain Pharonix is over there now. There he is. There's Will Forrester again. Was that my first duplicate? I think it is. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Right, put that over there for now. Flyman, but in different colour. Danny Dundee. Right, what's in here? Well, I know what's in here. But I should mention I didn't get a box of jungle cages because it's flippin' expensive. And I can just get them all via this. Right, there's the jungle cage. Can I get the treasure out on this one? I don't know how they expect you to get those out. There's no like mechanism, is there? No. Don't get the roof back in. You know, you just. And then the cannon that I do actually understand how to use. Right, put that in there. Oh, they all have the same projectile. It's lazy. Oh, no, I really should have thought about that. I have the flags at the back, interestingly. Just put the flag for the jungle cage over there. And then we'll put the legs on. Shokaka! I'm gonna say they're the front ones. No, wrong way. Ah! Okay, you're there then. There we are. So then does that mean you go there? These actually remind me of Spider Cannon from Series 3 of Super Zings. The robot. It's similar, you just don't have to build it. So why you have to build these is beyond me. Okay, it really doesn't want to go in there. Okay, so it goes there. Oh, crikey. Right, and then you, whatever your name actually is. Is it Sammy Thompson or is that someone else? Bang. Well, let's just open a few more one packs and we'll call it a day. Oh, hello. Actually, let's have a... I mean, of course, there are going to be more parts. Here's the checklist for this. The toy range checklist. Nice. So yeah, let's just get these out. And just put that one back. Firstly, oh, we have Gaston Arpeggio. There we are. I feel like you've got Joe in your name, so maybe Jumping Joe? No, Jumping Jack. That's it. Oh, this was interesting. Oh, Wild Wayne. Yeah, that makes sense. And the finale for this video. Da, 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 da. Oh, Alien Strike. Nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!